Massachusetts residents will never forget what happened exactly 6 years ago today. The 22 News Storm team is working for you with why this time we're dealing with rain instead of snow. 6 years ago, on October 29th, western Massachusetts was covered in a blanket of white snow. One of the most memorable snowstorms was the October snowstorm of 2011. Cities and towns here in western Massachusetts saw more than a foot of snow. Thousands were left without power, and many saw major tree damage from the heavy, wet snow. One man from Cummington told 22 News he remembers this storm vividly because Halloween was canceled.
I remember not having power for a little while. That was the big one. And obviously ruining Halloween.
Western Massachusetts saw a different storm Sunday. Instead of snow, it's rain and wind. Already, western Massachusetts has received around 5 inches of rain just within this last week of October, coming down quicker than the ground could keep up. With more rain on the way Sunday evening, minor street and stream flooding is possible. However, if temperatures were cold enough, Sunday's rain could have been snow. With 1 to 3 inches of rain in the forecast for this evening, if temperatures were around 32 degrees, we could see up to 30 inches of snow just from this rainstorm. 1 inch of rain equals to be 10 inches of snow. Average snowfall for October is around 1/10 of an inch. October is a month we can see different types of weather, including rain or snow, depending on the temperature. One of the reasons some storms become larger in October than in other seasons is because October is still in hurricane season, allowing for extra moisture and movement to come up from the south and at times combined with the weather coming from the west.